Hello, boys. It's showtime.
Hello, girls.
This one, Brittany's.
It's toe time.
We've had some good times. But you're new. You got something to prove.
It'd be so much easier if I was a dude.
It'd be so much easier if I was an average dude.
Good.
Too preppy.
Better.
Trying too hard.
Rocking it.
Not trying hard enough.
Perfect.
Too Nico. Too Grady. Too Tommy, but very comfortable.
Hey, Chad. It's me. Please call me back. I've been ready for half an hour now. Listen, I can't wait to see you.
This is in there
It's gonna
too.
be perfect.
It's wrong. It's all wrong.
Wow, this place is amazing, Chad. So private.
Well, I want to bring you someplace special. Yoshi here is the best sushi chef in Hollywood. Yoshi, my man. Oh, joke, joke.
Oh, that's cute. Yoshi, sure.
Man, her shark is so much cooler than my lame jellyfish. He thinks I'm an idiot.
I'm such an idiot. Why did I for the shark? The jellyfish was adorable. He's adorable.
She's adorable. Oh, my palms are sweating. Just be cool. So...
Chad? Are you okay?
I'm good. Good, I'm cool. I'm so not cool. Water. I need water. This isn't making me any cooler. Although it is refreshing.
You know, this all looks so great. Why don't you order since you know so much about sushi?
Oh my gosh. I forgot everything I know about sushi. Keep drinking. Keep drinking. Maybe she'll stop asking.
Oh my God. I'm boring him so much he's trying to drown himself. Chad?
Yeah.
Do you want to order?
Oh, she touched my hand. I was supposed to touch her hand first. What kind of man am I?
It's not even looking at me. Do I have something in my teeth? Of course I don't have anything in my teeth. I haven't eaten in an hour. I'm starving. Why won't he order?
Quit drinking. You're gonna explode. Just tell her she makes you nervous. She'll understand. Sonny, I need to tell you something.
Yes, Chad.